that was rational numbers. Now today I am going to start a new chapter, layer 2, exponents and powers. Now this is an easy chapter to understand, but it is very important for your upcoming concepts, right? So जैसे हाईएस्ट क्लासेस में जैसे आप पढ़ाई करोगे तो ये पावर्स एंड एक्सपोनेंट्स बहुत जगह आपको काम आएंगे. तो सबसे पहले वी स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट आर एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड व्हाट आर पावर्स. सो सपोज करो आपके पास हो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. तो इसको हमें कलेक्टिवली लिखना है. देन व्हाट डू वी राइट? वी राइट 2 to 4, 4 to the 8, 8 multiplied to 16, 16 multiplied to 32. This is what we have studied about how do we write a number which is written in a multiple form, right? Now there is one more way to write it. I simply counted 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power raised to 5. So 2 power raised to 5 equals to 32. So 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 32. Now which is more simpler? You can see when we write 32 we have to multiply all these numbers, but 2 raised to power is just we need to count the repetition of a particular number, and then the total repetition is written as power, right? So this is known as exponent. Exponent form, right? In exponent form we have a number and power raised to suppose y. So it is called base. The number is called as base, and y is known as power or index, right? How do we read it? हम इसको पढ़ते कैसे हैं? So इसको हम पढ़ेंगे x raised to power y. It means 2 raised to power 5. So this is how we read exponents. So exponents क्या होता है? एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नंबर को हम क्या करते हैं, उसको सिंपली एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिख देते हैं. सो व्हेन वी राइट इन एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म वी गेट टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द वेटेज ऑफ दैट नंबर, राइट? तो एक्सपोनेंट का मतलब है इफ 2 रेज़ टू पावर 5 ऐसा कुछ एक्सपोनेंट है, तो इसका मतलब है कि जो बेस है, द बेस इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इटसेल्फ 5 टाइम्स. तो 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and 2. so 2 को हम क्या करेंगे, 2 के 5 पावर है तो 2 5 टाइम लिखकर हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, राइट? सो एक्सपोनेंट क्या होता है आपको पता चल गया होगा. और एक्सपोनेंट नोटेशन, this is called exponent notation. So this is the basic about what are exponents and what is power. Now reciprocals. Now reciprocals we have studied in your previous chapter also. Reciprocals are हम एक नंबर को इन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. जैसे कि if I ask what is the reciprocal of 3/4, तो हम लिखेंगे reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. We simply invert the numbers, right? So that is called reciprocal. But how do we write reciprocals in exponent form? That is our question. So reciprocals are 5 to power 3. It is 5 raised to power 3 upon 1. We can write it this like this. So reciprocal of 5 by 3, 5 रेज टू पावर 3 अपॉन 1. देखो अब जो डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है हम वो कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं. इफ वी डिवाइड अ नंबर बाय 1, इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर बाय 1, द आंसर डज नॉट चेंज. सो 1 इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ multiplication, right? So reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 is 1 upon 5 raised to power 3, or simply 5 raised to power 3 is what? 5 into 5 into 5 equals to 125. So reciprocal of 125 is 1 upon 125. Now 125 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 raised to power 3. So this is how we do reciprocals in rational numbers. अब ये जो मेथड है ये तो हमने रैशनल नंबर्स में पढ़ा था, बट इट इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द our chapter, that is exponents form. So we will write reciprocal in exponent form. So what is exponent form? So reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 is 5 raised to power minus 3. Can you see the change? We just need to change the sign of power, that is the reciprocal. तो अगर हम किसी भी पावर को साइन चेंज कर देंगे तो वो उस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. ठीक है? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल. 5 raised to power minus 3 is reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3. Now let's take some examples and we will know reciprocals more better. So example 1, evaluate 2 upon 5 raised to power 2. Now this is the base, 2 by 5 is the base and power is 2. So we can write it 2 by 5 into 2 by 5, and answer is 4 by 25. Again second question is minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 3. Now power raised to 3, that means we need to write it 3 times and then we multiply. So minus 1 upon 4 multiply minus 1 upon 4. If अगर आपको ऐसा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि ये मल्टीप्लाई और नेगेटिव साथ आ रहे हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इनको ब्रैकेट में पुट कर सकते हो, राइट? नाउ माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस अगेन माइनस, देन 16 multiplied by 4, 64. That is our answer. So this is example 1. Next example is express the following in exponent form. So example 2, we have question A, part A, 64 upon 121. Now when we write a rational number in exponent form, we need to keep it in mind that power on numerator and power on denominator should be same, equal, or otherwise we can write it in different powers notation also. इनकी पावर सेम होनी चाहिए, अगर अलग अलग होती है तो भी गलत नहीं माना जाएगा. ठीक है? बट देखो पावर सेम कैसे करते हैं, दैट इज आवर क्वेश्चन. सो 64 64 को हम पावर नोटेशन देखना चाहते हैं, मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ केवल 64 की, ठीक है। तो 64 को हम लिखेंगे तो 64 की पावर नोटेशन, किसी भी नंबर की पावर नोटेशन के लिए ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज फैक्टराइज द नंबर। सो फैक्टराइजेशन इज 2, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 64 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to power 6, right? And 11, sorry, 121. It is 11, 11. यानी 121 is 11 into 11, or 120 equals to 11 raised to power 2. This is the power notation of 64, sorry, and this is the power notation of 121. So if we write 2 raised to power 6 upon 11 raised to power 2, that is not entirely wrong, right? But if we want to write a rational number into exponent form, then at that condition we need to इक्वेट द पावर्स, हमें पावर्स को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो पावर्स को इक्वल करने के लिए देखो, जो कम पावर है, जो स्मॉलर पावर है, उस पावर के इक्वल हम बड़ी वाली पावर्स को लिखने की कोशिश करेंगे। हर बार ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम इस पावर को इक्वल कर सके, लेकिन जहां पर हो जाए वहां पर ऐसा लिखना जरूरी है। चलिए, तो 2 raised to power 6, if I write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, we need to make the power 2. This power will be changed into power notation 2, because 11 has 2 powers. So because we have power 2, then we group these factors in 2 groups. So this becomes 8 and this becomes 8, and we can write it 8 square, right? So I can simply write this 8 square upon 11 square. और पावर्स को अब आप क्या कर सकते हो, कंबाइन कर सकते हो। सो 64 upon 121 can be written as like this or like this. Both of the answers are correct. So moving on to next. We have minus 27 upon 125. So minus 27 upon 125. If we factorize 27, then it is 3 into 3 into 3, right? And minus sign is here, so minus 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 upon 5 into 5 into 5. So it is 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 power raised to 3. This is the power notation of minus 27 upon 125. Now there are some questions of checkpoint. These are based on these examples. So let's solve one by one. 5 raised to power 3 is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 equals to 125, right? 4 by 5 raised to power 3 is 4 by 5 multiply 4 by 5 multiply 4 by 5, that is equals to 64 upon 125. Now these are the two next question is exponent form. We need to change these numbers, these rational numbers into exponent form. First question is minus. This was the question 8. First question A part. This is second question A part. So minus 8 upon 27. If we factorize 8, it can be written as 2 minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So it can be written as minus 2 upon 3 power raised to 3. Now about this negative sign we will study more briefly in our next class, that how can you determine the negative sign, right? So for now all you need to remember is, अगर पावर नोटेशन 3 रहती है, पावर नोटेशन अगर ऑड नंबर होता है तो हमें नेगेटिव साइन आंसर में आता है, ठीक है? सो वी विल स्टडी दिस मोर, इट विल बी कंफ्यूजिंग इफ आई एक्सप्लेन इट हियर. बी पार्ट इज 216 upon 125. now 216 is the cube number of 6. If you multiply 6 into 6 into 6, you will get 216, right? Now 6 we can write it as 3. 6 raised to power 3 equals to 216. And 125 is cube number of 5, or you can write 5 raised to power 3 is 125. So it is 6 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3, and we can put this power one time on this complete number, and our answer becomes 6 upon 5 raised to power 3. Now what is I want to tell you here is, let's talk about 216, 6 raised to power 3. I have 216 and I told you that 216 is the cube number of 6. Cube number means a number multiplied by itself 3 times, that is cube number. So if 1 को हम 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे that is 1, 2 को हम 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे that is 8. So 8 is cube number of 2, 1 is cube number of 1. So 216 is cube number of 6. Now what do I want to tell you here is, यहां पर जो 6 है, 6 को मैं लिख सकता हूं 2 into 3, राइट? एंड 2 into 3, अब पावर जो है दोनों पे एक साथ लिखी हुई है तो हम पावर को अलग अलग लिख सकते हैं. 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3. So 216 can be written like this, 216 can be written like this. Both has same meaning. So this method we will study in our next class. A topic will be there named as laws of exponents. So that is the story of next class. But I just want to tell you that there are more power notations of a single number. We can express a number in multiple ways इन एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म. एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म को सिर्फ एक ही तरह के एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म हो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. सो मेरे ख्याल से यू गॉट दिस. यू अभी तक के लिए आपको ये पता है कि हाउ डू वी राइट एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म, राइट? एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म को लिखने के लिए हमें एक नंबर को फैक्टराइज करना होता है और एक नंबर जितनी बार रिपीट होता है वही उसकी पावर हो जाती है. Now let's come again on the reciprocals. I told you about reciprocals that in exponent form we just need to change the sign of the power. So find reciprocal is our example 3. All we need to do is reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 is 5 raised to power minus 3. Now most important, don't write 5 raised to power 3 equals to 5 raised to power minus 3. You have to write it in this way. Reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 is 5 raised to power minus 3. If you write in hurry, जल्दीबाजी में आप लिख देते हो कि 5 raised to power 3 का रेसिप्रोकल हो गया 5 raised to power minus 3 और बीच में आप लगा देते हो इक्वल का साइन. इक्वल का साइन मतलब हो गया कि these two values are equal, but these two values are not equal at all. So never write reciprocal in this way. If you need to write reciprocal, then write it in a proper way. Reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 is 5 raised to power minus 3. Now reciprocal of 3 raised to power 3 by 7 raised to power 2 is 3 by 7 raised to power minus 2. Alright, now in example 4 we have to simplify some questions. Simplify example first is 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3 divided by 3 by 4 power raised to 2. Now it is the negative power, right? And रेसिप्रोकल में क्या होता है, जब हम साइन चेंज करते हैं तो वो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. अब क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू वी सॉल्व नेगेटिव पावर. सो नेगेटिव पावर को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले जरूरी है कि वी विल चेंज दिस पावर इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट. नाउ हाउ डू वी चेंज? Negative power into positive. That is our question, and that is very important, so I write it here. How do we change negative power into positive? Answer is we invert the base. हम बेस को इन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. Such as it is 2 by 3, so I write it 3 by 2 and power becomes positive. Now this is the whole power, this is the power combined on 3 by 4, so I can write it 3 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 2. Now this is a law of exponent, we will study in next class, but for now you can memorize like this, that power is same on 3 and 4, so we can write it differently. 3 by 2 we can write it like this, 3 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3. Now division will be changed into multiply, then what we do, we invert the next number, so 4 raised to power 2, and then we get 3 raised to power 2. Now we need to simplify this. So upon simplification I can write it 3 raised to power 3, then 3 into 3 into 3, 2 raised to power 3, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, then again multiply 4 raised to power 2, 4 into 4, 3 into 3. Now these two I can cancel, 2 multiply 2 4, so 2 into 2 4 and 4 4 cancel. 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे 4 में तो 2 we will get 2, so I can write it 3, remaining 3 here and 2 here upon 1. Answer is 6. This is how you solve some exponent based questions. One more question we can solve here. So next question is 7 raised to power minus 2, 6 raised to power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 3. Whenever you see negative exponent or negative power, first thing you need to do is convert the power into positive, और पावर्स को हमें पॉजिटिव बनाना है. सबसे पहला काम हमें ये करना है. एक्सपोनेंशियल क्वेश्चंस को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए so that it will be easy to solve. So अभी मैंने क्या बताया कि पावर को पॉजिटिव करेंगे तो हम नंबर को इन्वर्ट कर देंगे, यानी 1/7 पावर रेज टू 2, 1/6 पावर रेज टू 1 divided by 1/3 power raised to 3. Now I can write it 1 into 1 upon 7 into 7. 1/6 power 1, so we will write it one time. We will change division into multiply, then it becomes 3 power raised to 3 upon 1 power raised to 3. Again I can write this number as 3 into 3 into 3 upon 1 into 1 into 1. Now 6 is divided by 3, it gives 2, and this 1. इनको हम सिंप्लीफिकेशन बोलते हैं। अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर किसी सेम नंबर से डिवाइड होते हैं तो हम उनको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं। सो ऑन डिनोमिनेटर वी गेट 3 into 3 and 1, so becomes 9. And in denominator 7 into 7 49, 49 multiplied by 2 is 98. This is our answer. More precisely I can write it 3 raised to power 2, 7 raised to power 2 multiplied 2 raised to power 1. This is also this can be also written. Right, so this is about our today's class. I hope कि आपको exponents और powers का मतलब समझ में आया है इसमें. So in next class we will study laws of exponent.